All right, so good afternoon, everyone. I am Mick Mandapat. I'm from NextGen, now EN, representing Vectra, the NDR, Network Detection Response Solution. So, demystifying AI for threat detection and response. Okay, so what does it mean? In the tech industry, sabi po nila lagi is, enterprise will always be hybrid. Do you agree? No? Some are on-prem, some are fully on cloud, and some are both hybrid. Okay? We kind of live in a premise that enterprise are hybrid. Therefore, attacks are also hybrid. Okay. No? Hindi po sumasang-ayon. Okay. So let's go further. All right. So, what are hybrid attacks? As you can see in the picture, this is full of needles. Hybrid attacks are finding the needle in a haystack. Napakahirap pong hanapin. It's very extremely difficult. Okay? In the threat landscape, it has changed significantly in the past several years. Many security teams, SOC teams are discovering threat actors penetrating their environments. It could be anything, anywhere, move anywhere at the speed and scale, okay, at which they move, and so on and so forth. Issues persist across MITRE ATT&CK framework. It could be identifying and blocking command and control communications, or issues during the evasive or persistence phases. Okay? So let's take a look at this example. Threat actors have four things they are extremely well on across these examples. So first, what they do for the attack progression is that they actually compromise identities. Mainly, yun po talaga, identities, credentials, and so on and so forth. After they learn how to elevate those privileges, what they do is they take those privileges and try to hide and move across domains. After moving across domains, what they do is they wanted to find the crown jewel where it exists. Yun po yung ultimate goal nila. Okay? So this is the attack progression. Now, moving on, let's go back to the question, why is it so hard to defend organizations against these hybrid attacks? Find the needle. So, in SOC for years, lagi pong sinasabi nila is, we need visibility. We need control. Okay? And in AI, to be able to help the SOC teams, there are 3 C's in a SOC triad. First C, we gotta have coverage. Gaano po kalawak yung visibility natin? Second C, you gotta have clarity. Okay? Can we keep pace on the threat attacker? And then the third C in a SOC triad is, we gotta have control. Control of those alerts coming into your network. Okay? So, let's try to go with the flow, or what are the challenges across these 3 C's in a SOC triad? I'm a 3 things person, so I always like to go simple. Lagi ko pong hinhone, what are the 3 things? So what are the 3 areas that we need to focus on? So first challenge is exposure. Getting coverage in a super complex, evolving attack surface is extremely difficult. So from your public cloud, identity, SaaS, data center, so on and so forth, this is very hard. Sobrang lawak po ng hybrid attack surface natin. And according to statistics, SOC analysts said that 71% of SOC analysts said that mainly admits they are already compromised but they don't know about it yet. So the second challenge comes in, which is latency. Getting correlations across these individual streams, triaging them, writing rules is extremely difficult as well. That's why no wonder SOC teams ends up with the third reason, which is the noise. Okay. So imagine getting 4,800 plus of alerts on a daily basis. Ano bang pwede nating magawa? There could be fear in finding or something missing in those hidden alerts. Pwedeng hindi po natin mahanap yung isa na yon sa hidden, sa lahat po ng alerts that you receive on a daily basis. So across these challenges, how will AI-driven system will help you through your threat detection and response across these different hybrid attacks, from public cloud, networks, identity, SaaS, and enabling endpoints as well. Let's go through this picture. Huwag niyo po munang pansinin dito. Sa left po muna tayo. So from left to right, how can we reduce exposure? With an AI-driven system, what are you trying to collect data? What are you trying to detect? Pwedeng nasa data center, pwedeng nasa cloud networks, pwedeng nasa endpoint, pwedeng nasa IoT and OT na. After trying to detect these surface, bounce it off to normalize what kind of MITRE attack technique is your attacker trying to do in your environment. Then, after normalizing it, validate if this is relevant to your security. After validating, the AI will profile it. Is this something that correlates an attacker profile? Then sasabihin po ng SOC analyst natin, yes, okay, this is meeting the profile of an attack. Doing this using AI ML, you will arrive at an attack rating, and we are actually answering the question of a SOC analyst, how likely is the activity malicious? Is this real attack? Is this really happening into our environment? Now, combine it with how important the entity into your organization. Is it a host, a user, a domain server, a user, or anything, entity, account? How critical is the entity? Okay. Then combining it, attack rating and entity importance, do I care? Is it real? Okay. Then having combination of the two, you'll be receiving an urgency score. The AI will provide you an urgency score. The higher the urgency score, the critical it is. And the clearer it is, you'll be answering the third question, is it worth my time and talent? You see, from this flow pa lang po, before we go to the third part, spending 2 hours and a half, rather than spending 2 hours and a half on something that is malicious, pero ending up, hindi po pala real. Hindi po pala malicious. Now, the third portion wherein maximization of talent comes in. What action to take? You were able to see the coverage. You have visibility already. You were able to keep pace with the attacker. Saan po siya nanggagaling? Ano po yung targets niya? And now, you have the control. Paano ko po siya ibablock? How will I stop the attacker? So that's the whole benefit of AI on an AI-driven system with an integrated hybrid attack signal. Okay? So moving forward, so let's put it in a real scenario. So this is an R&D leading company for material and manufacturing. So what happened here, this is, the attack happened on a zero-day exploit with, this happened through unpatched marketing server, wherein the attacker was, first, what happened is the client got compromised through a phishing email with a fileless malware. Then the malware has mapped out the domain. The malware has escalated some privileges, but through their detection and response solution, it has alerted the SOC analyst with PowerShell execution. And then through the combined signal of detection and response, the SOC analyst was able to stop the attack, detected that this is a malicious behavior, and successfully stopped the attack in a short period of time. Imagine po gaano po yun ka-excel. It's less than 30 minutes, less than 15 minutes. So instead of spending 2 hours and a half, having AI around an environment is very useful. Okay. So now, across all of this, sabi po natin, finding the needle is extremely impossible for a human being to do so. Okay. But we believe that AI is the only thing to do that. And that is with using AI, you can enable, first, from the 3 C's of a SOC triad, coverage, you're able to see visibility across different hybrid attack surfaces. Clarity, nahabol po natin kung saan nanggagaling yung attacker. We're able to keep pace on the attacker, and then control, to be able to give your SOC analysts control at their hands. Okay? So, with this regard, from identity, SaaS, public cloud, enterprise AI, network, and enabling endpoint, that is what Vectra does. An integrated hybrid signal with an AI-driven system and AI prioritization. Now, thank you very much, and may network be good to you.
In today's modern enterprise, one thing is certain. Attack surfaces are expanding, becoming more siloed, more complex, giving attackers an unfair advantage with more ways to infiltrate, progress, and move laterally inside your organization across identity, cloud, data center, SaaS, email, IoT environments undetected. Until now. It's time to turn the tables by harnessing an AI-driven platform that empowers defenders to move at the speed and scale of modern attackers. The Vectra AI platform is the integrated signal powering XDR. For the past decade, Vectra has pioneered the use of AI to find attack signals inside data. Backed by 35 patents in attacker behavior detection, Vectra AI arms defenders with the most integrated and accurate attack signal at speed and scale. And we don't stop there. With over 90% of MITRE attack techniques covered, the most references for MITRE Defend, and a team of highly skilled MDR analysts working around the clock and the world. Thousands of organizations trust Vectra AI as their go-to XDR platform and managed services for modern advanced attacks. We find the attacks other technology can't, so you can stop them. The Vectra AI platform empowers SOC teams to realize the promise of XDR with the coverage, clarity, and control they need to move at the speed and scale of modern attacks. Our detection coverage provides defenders with a unified view of attacks across their entire environment. Our signal clarity cuts through the chaos using AI-driven intelligence to prioritize real attacks in real time, alerting defenders to the most urgent and critical entities being targeted. And with a clear, entity-centric view of attacks in progress, defenders are equipped to take control in minutes, long before it becomes a data breach. Tens of thousands of security leaders, architects, and analysts have modernized their SOC by removing complexity and cost while increasing efficiency and effectiveness with Vectra AI. Ready to modernize your SOC with AI? Learn more about the Vectra AI platform, see an interactive tour, or request a demo at vectra.ai/platform.